Well, knee howdy folks. Today we have another product here for you. We're gonna play Pimp My Ride. Here we have a nice ride for us to pimp, and it's only going to be pimped by these additional parts that came with. We're gonna put on these, and then we're gonna give it a ride. Now this came pretty much just like this inside the box with some additional wrapping and stuff that we had to remove with a knife. But right now, this Medline chair with the big boy wheels and whatnot are gonna be pretty much ready to go. So all I need to do is give this a quick, and then we'll be ready to go. You can see that this is a nice black metal, which I do appreciate. I don't love the super flashy colors on the wheelchairs, but this is a nice metal. It's got all the cushioning in the right places, which was also wrapped. Let's give this a sweet little twirl, and we can demonstrate everything that it came with as well. It came with a box, I know, right? Not the big box, a smaller box, which contained these. The instructions, in case you need it, the hex key so that you can tighten all them nuts, and the foot holder thingies, which I will install promptly. So, ooh, this is a nice touch. We have our thingy here, and I will demonstrate. Over here, we have these two buttons, which we will press to extend, come here, extend the actual length of this. So it currently gets stopped by these holes, and then you press and you go, and it stops on the one that you want. And then this will unfold up and down, and it has a nice little fabric thingy for the back of your foot or leg, etc., etc. So this is installed thusly. You'll want this on the inside because this is the latch. It's spring loaded, and you'll want to install it just so on these posts here, and then wrap that around, and then give that a nice click, and that ain't going nowhere. Let's do the same for this side. We've got to go, whoopsie, not all the way, just so that it gets caught by those thingies. Where are we? Here we go. Click. All right, open that up. And then install that just like so. And click. And that's stuck in place. As for the instructions, I'm gonna throw that into the wayside just for now, because I'm gonna get into the review portion of this thingamajigger. We have a few extra pieces over here that I'm not entirely sure what to do with quite yet. So, on the back, if we want to do wheelies, we just kick it up like that on these posts here, and it goes whee. All right, what else can we talk about? Nice back cushion here with a nice pocket so that the person behind us can keep all their drugs nice and tucked away. Or the person sitting in the chair, doesn't have to be the person pushing you, because these nice large wheels are meant for self-pushing. We're gonna self-push that tush all the way to the curb from here to here. And by that, I mean I'm gonna roll down this hill and barely have to push myself. But for demonstration purposes, let's first see what this thingy does. I'm not sure quite yet. Looks like it locks or unlocks something, because this rotates, right? Yeah, what does that do? Ah, yes, this is quite a strong brake. So, I'm gonna pimp my ride just like that. So this brake here, when turned to the front, basically locks this wheel in place. So when you're moving, make sure that this brake here is not engaged, otherwise you ain't going nowhere. And that's the same for the brake on the other side too, just in case you wanna hang out on the 45-degree slope here and not go anywhere. I don't know about 45 degrees, but close enough. All right, finally, time for the test. Here we go. There we go, and then we put our feet just so, not going anywhere just yet, buddy. How does that control feel? How does this navigation feel like? We're slipping, we're sliding. I wish these wheels had a bit more traction. All these wheels are always so smooth. Just like my brain. But if it had a little bit more traction, there wouldn't be as much slippage. Anyway, here we go. We're zooming now. Beep, beep. All right. This is a foldable wheelchair. Fits quite comfy. The cushion in the back goes up high enough. I'm 5'6", so the way it currently feels, on my back is just below my shoulder blades, but I can't lean back too much. And I can't, oh, there we go. There we go. Trying to get a wheelie over here. There we go, ready? Ready? Wheelie. Beep, beep. Oh. Yo, I have to try to practice that so I don't get myself, so I don't end up in a wheelchair, you know? I don't want to break anything. Yo, check that out though. And then let's give this a good whee. So on the way down, those feet things hit the curb. Let me see if I can get back up. This is gonna be a challenge. Here we go, ready? Beep, beep. Classic. I got it, I got it, I got it. All right. Okay. Well, first, you'll want to make sure that your feet thingies aren't too extended so that they hit the ground every time you're going on a slope. Because these are a bit long. Since I was going down that slope, they hit the ground first. Crunch, right? But let me talk about my experience as a fully mobile person using this chair, because that's the only perspective I can give until something breaks. I like it. It moves smoothly. I feel like I have a lot of control with these large wheels, and when I need to, I can just fold that right back up, like so, and I can lift it like this. Now, how heavy is this? Maybe 60 to 70 pounds, maybe 60. It is quite heavy, not prohibitively so, but you'll want to be aware of that. It's not like I'm lifting up a car or a building in a single bound and whatnot, but it is a little bit heavy for those who cannot lift things like I can. Just for a good measure. Okay, we're done. All right, so that has been the Medline wheelchair. I hope you liked this video. We're doing a couple other videos on wheelchairs and comparisons between different ones, so make sure to like and subscribe and check out the channel for those. And until then, ni howdy, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.